Hello everyone, I hope all of you are doing great. Welcome to my YouTube channel French with Rajdeep. In the previous videos, I taught you the French alphabets from A to Z, and today I will teach you the days of the week and months of the year. So let's start. Let's start with days of the week, and remember, in France, they start their week with the day Monday. So let's start with that. In French is lundi, in English is Monday. Again, lundi, in English, Monday. Again, lundi, in English, Monday. Next one is Mahdi. Mahdi in English is Tuesday. Again, Mahdi in English, Tuesday. Again, Mahdi in English, Tuesday. Another one is Makrodi. Makrodi. Makrodi in English is Wednesday. Again, Makrodi in English, Wednesday. Again, Makrodi in English is called Wednesday. Next one is Jodi. Jodi. In English, Thursday. Again, Jodi. In English, Thursday. I will pronounce it again in French is Jodi. In English, Thursday. Next one is Bhodrodi. Bhodrodi. In English is Friday. Again, Bhodrodi. In English, Friday. Please repeat after me. Again, Bhodrodi. In English, Friday. I will pronounce it another time. Bhodrodi. In English is Friday. Next day is Samedi. Samedi. In English is Saturday. Again, Samedi. In English, Saturday. And that time, Samedi. In English, Saturday. Next one is Dimanche. Dimanche. In English, Sunday. Again, Dimanche. In English, Sunday. Again, Dimanche. In English, Sunday. The next one is months of the year. They start their year with the month January. In French is janvier. In English is January. Again, janvier. In English, January. Again, janvier. In English, January. Next one is February. February. In English, February. In the word February, there is an accent on top of the E. I will teach the accent in the future videos. Again, February. In English is February. Another one is Mah. 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 It means March. Again, Mah. In English, March. Again, Mah. In English, March. Next one is Abril. Abril. Abril in English is April. Again, Abril. Abril in English, April. Again, Abril. In English, April. Next one is May. 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 In English is May. Again, May. In English, May. Repeat after me, please. May. In English, May. Next one is Juin. 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 In English, June. Again, Juin. In English, June. Again, juin. In English, June. Another one is juillet. 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 In the word juillet, the two L are silent. In English is July. Again, juillet. In English, July. Again, juillet. In English, July. Next one is ut. 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 In English is August. Again, ut. In English, August. In the word ut, there is an accent on top of the U. There are different kinds of accent in the French. And I told you that I will teach the accent in my future videos. Next one is September. 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 In English is September. Again, September. September. In English, September. Next one is October. 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 In English, October. Again, October. October. In English, October. Next one is November. 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 In English, November. Again, November. November. In English, November. These are very important, so please repeat after me. Next one is December. 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 It means December. Again, December. In English, December. There is an accent on the word December. It is on top of the E. Again, December. In English, December. So that's all for today. If you like it, then make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. By the way, this is the Cox's Bazar Sea Beach. I'm proud of being a Bangladeshi because it has the longest beach in the world. You just see.